next stop is here at Maui Bay. Maui Bay is actually a resting area, so if you're traveling to the west and if you feel a bit tired or something like that, then you can always hop on to Maui Bay. It's just a beautiful place to be. Now you can see this place, entire place is surrounded by trees and it's always windy over here. You can see the ocean, the clear beach and the walkway that leads right above the ocean to a small Buddha type area over there where you can sit, talk, have some fun and then be back. Of course there are a few vendors, local vendors here as well, selling fruits and other stuffs as well. You can also do horse riding on days which is available. Unfortunately for us today, I do not see any of the horses or any other horse riders around here, so we won't be able to do that today. So the horse rides vary from 5 to 10 Fijian dollars and it's actually quite an experience because they take you quite a distance on the horse's back. If you haven't ever experienced horse riding, then this is the place you should come and give it a try. Now if you're feeling scared that the horses might run away with you on the back, rest assured because the horse riders will be there with you. They won't get on the horse's back with you, but they'll be holding the horse, trying to control them or stabilize them in a way, so you don't have to worry about the horse running off with you on its back.